Assalamu alaikum, dear students. So the topic we are going to discuss today is a third desert and living in the third desert. As we all know, surviving in deserts is very difficult. Not only is it difficult for humans to survive, it is also hard for animals, plants, and other forms of life to live. This in return make it even harder for human life to persist because there is always a risk of running out of food. So let's move forward and see some of the details of Third Desert. Here is a short introduction of Third Desert. Third Desert is a large, hot, dry region in India and Pakistan. In Pakistan, the desert covers the eastern part of Sindh and the southeastern part of Punjab province. Third Desert is also known as the Great Indian Desert. It is a large arid region with a landscape dominated by sand dunes. So here is a detail on the living in the third desert. Most of the desert's inhabitants reside in rural areas and are distributed in varying densities. Both Islam and Hinduism are practiced, and the population is divided into complex economic and social groups. The languages spoken by the people of Thar in the southwest is Sindhi and Marwari in central and eastern portions of the Thar. The Thar Desert is the most densely populated desert in the world, with 83 people per square kilometer. These populations live in small villages. Far apart from each other, the people are often nomadic, moving when their sparse water supplies dries up. Life in the desert is not easy. Houses in the deserts are not only like those in cities such as Karachi. Many of them are made from mud and others are made from straw and sticks, as you can see in the pictures too. Lack of water makes life difficult for people living in Thar. People make ponds to collect water. These ponds are also called johar. So let's move forward and see some of the details on the vegetation and landforms of desert. As the land is dry, there is a very little vegetation. Most of the desert people are farmers, growing crops or keeping animals. The main crops are bajra, pulses, jowar, maize, sesame and groundnuts. The animals are buffaloes, sheep, goats, camels and oxen. Lack of water makes it hard to grow crops and keep animals. So here I want to mention one thing, that camel is also known as the ship of the desert. The desert is full of small hills of sand. These hills are called sand dunes. These dunes do not remain at one place because of sandstorms. They keep on moving from one place to another. So students, now let's talk about the climate of third desert. Desert have extreme type of climate. During summer, the days are very hot and dry. Relative humidity is extremely very low. Rainfall is occasional and uncertain. So that's why there are many years of drought. In winters, the days are pleasant, but the nights become very cold. Temperatures are harsh from near freezing up to 50 degrees centigrade. Let's move forward and see some of the difficult words and their meanings. Desert, an area of land with very little rainfall and vegetation. Sand dunes, hills of sands. Oases, green and watery spot in the desert. Dust storm, a storm carrying a cloud of dust. Nomads, people traveling from place to place. So students, we have completed our today's topic. So hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you.